Today I'm going to show you how to use Synchrobreathe, the new generation inhaler. If your doctor has prescribed you Synchrobreathe, you simply need to understand how to use it. And we will help you to do just that. All you have to remember is click, click, click. First, shake your Synchrobreathe, keeping the mouthpiece cover closed. Then open it by gently pulling the cover down. And there we have the first click. Exhale as much as you can before you put the Synchrobreathe in your mouth and start breathing slowly and deeply through the mouthpiece. You'll then hear the second click, indicating that the medicine is being released. But keep in mind to continue inhaling even after the second click. When you're done, remove the Synchrobreathe from your mouth. And hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as comfortable, and then breathe out slowly through your nose. After that, close the mouthpiece cover. And that's the final third click. Always remember, after using the inhaler, rinse your mouth with water. And make sure you don't swallow it. If you need another puff, follow the same click, click, click process. And that's how easy it is to use Synchrobreathe. All you have to remember is click, click, click. Click to open. Click to inhale. Click to close. Do consult your doctor on frequency and use. There are a lot of questions that come up when it comes to inhalers. Let me give you some information on the top 5 frequently asked questions on Synchrobreathe.
How do I know how many doses remain in my Synchrobreathe?
Synchrobreathe comes with an integrated dose counter, which moves at the interval of 20 puffs. When the last 40 puffs are remaining, the color of the dose counter ring changes from green to red, indicating that only few doses are remaining. And you need to arrange for a new device. When the dose counter displays 0, it's time to discard your Synchrobreathe. After 0, do not use the device since it does not contain the required amount of medicine.
Why is there a notch at the back of my Synchrobreathe?
The notch is a dose release button at the back of a Synchrobreathe, right below the dose counter. The button helps in test firing the device. The test firing of Synchrobreathe should be done on 2 occasions. First, when you're using the device for the first time, and second, if you haven't used it for a week or more. In order to test fire Synchrobreathe, you need to release 2 puffs into the air. First, shake the inhaler and open the mouthpiece cover. Then fire the test dose to release the first puff into the air by pushing down the notch. Close the mouthpiece cover. Repeat these steps to release the second puff. And remember to not use the dose release button for inhaling the medicine.
I get a medicinal taste in my mouth after using Synchrobreathe. Is there a reason for concern?
Yeah, sometimes you get a bitter taste after use of Synchrobreathe, which is absolutely normal. Some amount of medicine may remain at the back of the throat. You can just rinse your mouth and gargle. And remember, do not swallow.
What if I accidentally open the mouthpiece cover and do not take inhaler? Will there be any medicine loss?
Don't worry. If you accidentally open the inhaler, there will be no medicine loss. Just close the mouthpiece cover immediately. The Synchrobreathe only releases a dose of medicine when you place the mouthpiece in your mouth and inhale through it. However, it is important to open the mouthpiece cover gently to avoid accidental release of a dose.
How do I appropriately clean and store my Synchrobreathe?
Clean your Synchrobreathe once a week by opening the mouthpiece and wiping with a dry cloth or tissue. You should not wash your Synchrobreathe with water. Always keep it dry. There it is. For more information, consult your doctor. And when it comes to using the Synchrobreathe inhaler, just remember, click, click, click. Click to open. Click to inhale. Click to close. If you need any more help on how to use the inhaler, get in touch with our Breathefree digital educators.